drizzle, a little rain. He found a puddle, oh what a sight, sparkling there in the morning light. Quack, quack, splish and splash, jumping in with a joyful crash. Quack, quack, puddle so high, ducks having fun under the sky. With a hop he made a little leap, the water rippled cool and deep. Feathers wet, but he didn't mind, splashing puddles he could find. Quack, quack, splish and splash, jumping in with a joyful crash. Quack, quack, puddles so high, ducks having fun under the sky. His friends joined in the play, hopping, splashing all the way. With quacks and giggles, puddles galore, they danced around and splashed some